Y'all, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just eat. And honestly, I be cooking the weirdest food ever. But so this is what I have. I have these are tortillas, bro. Tortillas. They're fried, okay? And then there's eggs. And it's fried eggs, but I don't like how the normal way that people fry eggs. I don't do it like that because I don't like it that way. So I fry them this way, okay? And it's like, it's weird. I don't know. I just like the middle part, the yellow part. I just like scramble it a tiny bit when it's frying, and then yeah, that's how I do it. Basically, that's what happens. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this. See? I haven't done an eating show in a while. It's cause honestly, it feels weird to eat on camera. There we go. Oh, I forgot to tell you. That's mayo on the top of the tortillas. To be honest, I feel like this is something that I have to eat fast because I don't like the mayo when it gets like hot or whatever. So yeah, it gotta be cold. That's how I like how it tastes that way. You know. I don't even use my left hand. It's mad crunchy. Do y'all fry these? Like, do y'all fry these? Cause these should be good. These should be good. And my mom be frying these a lot. To put ground beef or like stuff like that on it, and then put lettuce on top and eat it like that. That's good. That's good. I'm sorry, this is messy ass food. The reason why the room looks so yellow is because of the curtains. The curtains are like a yellow look. And when the sun hits it, that's what happens, you see? Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah. After this, I'm definitely doing my workout routine. Y'all seen that video? Oh my lord. I almost died, but I'm trying to get used to it. Like, I'm trying to do it every day. I'm a lazy person, so it's a surprise that I'm actually trying to do it, you know? Dang, bro. I'm gonna have to sit on the floor so that y'all can actually see me eating this. You feel me? I'm never prepared for these videos. I just be like thinking stuff on the top of my head, and I'm like, oh my god, I should show my subscribers, I should show my people what I'm eating. You feel me? I should show my people what I am doing with my hair. I should show my people something. Like, I always think about y'all when I'm during my day. I always think about y'all, like what I'm gonna do. After this video, I'm gonna be doing reaction to Armand and Trey. If y'all watch Armand and Trey, I'm gonna do a reaction to the remix they did to Queen's song, the Medicine song. Yeah, because I haven't watched it because I was like, I should do this for YouTube. Like I should actually wait till I actually do it as a video for YouTube, so I can post it. So I haven't watched it yet. Like I've been wanting to watch it, but I was like, no, I have to wait till I make a YouTube video to it. Yeah, because you gotta keep it genuine. You can't just watch the video and then try to watch it again for the reaction video. No, that's not how it works. Because then your reactions just come out fake. That's happened to me before. Because there's people out that want me to react to videos that I already reacted to. And I think I've said it before in like my reaction videos that I already watched this, but I'm gonna watch it again and I know it's gonna be funny. I've been doing that before. I tell y'all when I've watched it already before I do the reaction again, you know, on a video. So yeah. But yeah, recently I haven't like done that. My reaction's been very genuine. Do y'all want to see more of those? I will show, like, I'm actually going to do a lot today. So y'all could suggest to me, like, which ones you want to see. Which videos you want to see me react to. And stuff like that. Because I feel like I like to do that a lot. It boosts my energy, too. Like, my energy and my mood and everything. Reactions. That's why I like doing them. And it's always to my favorite people. My favorite YouTube my favorite YouTubers. It's always to them. Okay. These I can't pick up. Okay, that's it. Bruh, I know you lying. Girl, I did not just do that. If you like to see me eat and stuff like that, you go ahead and tell me. Let me know if you want to see me eat other stuff. Like, I probably won't have the money. I probably won't have the money to buy them shits, but whenever I do get that chance, I will like do it, you know. But like, yeah. Just let me know. Dang it. Always stuff falling out. Sorry that I keep looking at myself instead of the camera. Getting dark. The mayo. Making my mouth look glossy, honey. Honey. You know what my favorite thing to do when I have like a little bit of something? I like to break it in little pieces. So that it looks like it's a lot. And I last longer eating it. Did that ever happen to y'all? I'll be doing that. I do that a lot. And that's only when I know that I'm not going to have it again. Or something like that. This was too much. Look. I'm sorry, my manners. But if you like this, subscribe and comment anything else you want to see me do, and I'll be doing it for you. But bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.